Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Natasha and this is my makeup party. If you like my videos even just a little bit, I don't even require full love commitment. Please subscribe so I can keep doing them. And today we have the fresh new Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette 4. I'm going to do a couple of looks from this for you. Today I did kind of more lavender. It's a very lavender palette. It's a very pink, lavender, soft tone palette. Berries, got some warms, got some toasty browns in there. So this is a pretty versatile palette because you can get a toasty brown look out of it. You can get sort of a purpley look like I did today. When I first saw this palette, I feel like with these Pro palettes, they're just churning them out, and they're kind of like not really curating the colors in them all that well, because these colors in this one just really are not exciting me too much. And I feel like a number of them have been in their previous palettes before, either their Pros or their Mega Pros, the great big ones. I feel like there's a lot of repeats in here. And they've come out with this Pro 4, and it's not that exciting to me. I went ahead and grabbed it because I thought, well, I'll show you guys a couple of looks out of it in case you're interested in it, but otherwise I would not have bought this. I will show you how I put together this look today. I think it's kind of pretty. Everything blended really nice. I'm really appreciating the blend right through my crease here today. But everything blended really nice and went on nice. It's just not thrilling colors for me. Okay, here are your colors. I ran out of room when I got toward the end here, so I had to double back and come back up here again. They're just very soft, plummy, pinky, berry tones. I do like the metallics. I like this color and this one here. I think I'm going to use those in my next look that I do. And of course we have the same Lorac Pro packaging that we always have with the cardboard packaging. I do love that this one is plum though, and I think they did that sort of as a fall idea because these are kind of fallish tones to me. So here is how I came up with this look today. Lorac. Okay, I'm going to start by putting the color called Pecan in my transition area. Sort of a light mauve, not so tan. And the color called Rosebud in my inner crease. I'm going to put just a little bit of this Java color in my inner crease, but more toward the outer edge of it. I'm going to put this color called Cognac in my outer corner, kind of like that. Like that outer third of my eye, basically. And then on top of that, I'm going to put Merlot. I'm not quite going to the edge of that Cognac. That edge is right here. I'm doing the Merlot more out here. And I'm going to pack the color called Silver Mauve on most of my lid, but on my inner corner I'm going to put this light color called Soft Petal. That one has pieces of actual glitter in it. It has the background color, and then it has pieces of sort of silver glitter. And Soft Petal right through here. Ooh, lots of kick up. Little tiny bit of dark currant in the very outer corner. Okay, a little black currant in the outer corner under my lower lashes. Lining the rest of the way under there with the Cognac color. Dotting a little more of this soft pearl in my inner corner. And here we are with the next look from the Lorac Pro 4 palette. 4 of these we have come out with. I like this one much better than the previous look. This lid color just really is such a pretty metallic. Like I said, when I show you how I put this on in that detailed video, I think that color just kind of saved the whole palette for me. I wasn't thrilled with the palette before that, but that color just really grabbed me. Here's what we came up with, and here is how I applied it. I'm going to put this color called Begonia on my lid. That is a beautiful satin pink. Okay, that color was very soft. It's very fallouty. It's falling all over my face, but I think this color just saved this palette for me because I'm like, this color's beautiful, and look at how opaque it is. It just splashes right on your lid. Super soft and silky, very satiny feeling. Wow. I think I'm going to use the color called Brulee. Wrong way. Brulee. For my crease and transition area today. This is a very subtle crease transition color right here. Okay, this is where I do a hood check, where I let my hoods fall down and I look and see if that transition is visible up above my hood when my eyes are relaxed. And it is, so we're good. Look at the dust. I mean, oh. I'm going to tap into the color called Amaretto right here and get that in my inner crease. I'm using kind of a dense, rounded brush, rounded tipped brush for that, because it will go right in that little crease right there, and it will be very, because of the density, it will not put that color anywhere besides what I want it, where I want it to be. It will be precise. That's what I'm trying to say. Putting a little on my outer, toward my outer corner too, to start building some color there and definition. This is blending nicely. There's no streaking or anything. I'm going to put a little bit of Merlot right in my inner crease, but the outer edge of it, like right out here. And black currant in the outer corner. So pretty. I'm going to sweep a little of this amaretto color under my lash line. It's darker on the skin than it looks in the pan. And a little of the iced rose color to finish out the rest of that line. Final thoughts on the Lorac Pro 4. I feel like we've seen these exact same colors from Lorac before. Not in the Pro palettes, but these names are really ringing a bell with me, and I think it's because a lot of them and a lot of these shades were in the Mega Pro palettes that they put out, those huge ones, those giant ones that usually come out with one around Christmas time, I think. I think that's where I'm seeing a lot of these that I know I've seen Lorac do before. This Merlot, I know that I've seen that one before. And then other ones in here like Pecan, I know, and Brulee, I really think, and even this Silver Mauve, I really think those have been in previous Mega Pro palettes. I don't have any of those anymore. I just really think we've seen a lot of these same colors from Lorac before, and the same names even. So I don't know, this is just a kind of blah, not a must-have palette for me. Coming soon, new shades of highlighter from Dior. They have reformulated their highlighters. They have new ones. Some of them resemble the old ones in color and in name, but they've reformulated them. I'm going to be doing a video on that. Ordered a bunch of stuff from BH Cosmetics. There was a really neat palette in there, a very summery palette, and I grabbed two of the new Milani eyeshadow palettes, or the two new Milani eyeshadow palettes. Those are on the way. And whatever else I can get my hands on makeup wise. So if you would, please subscribe to my videos. Keep watching. There'll be something that comes around that is interesting to you. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching.